I give up. CRA wouldn't allow me to log in. It just keeps. One plus one. What is 1 plus 1? 30.94. Let's make it more exciting. Are we still married after this? Hello.
Good morning, good afternoon.
Good evening. Hello, Philippines, and hello, world. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm JM.
And I'm Yuli.
And welcome back to our vlog. So for today, we are going to be doing something very
Canadian.
and boring.
Which is doing our taxes.
And we're gonna show you everything, the entire process, except of course our
Actual figures.
salary.
Yes.
But we're gonna make it a little bit more fun. Let's make it into a game.
Oh, wow.
Let's guess if we are gonna
Get a refund. Or
get a refund or if we owe something
from
to
the
Canada.
to the government. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be a little more exciting.
My guess, we have a refund.
Refund for you? Okay. Then I'll guess that we owe something to the government. Our situation for 2024 has been really complicated because of several factors. For my situation, I moved from a part-time job to a full-time job that earns so much more than my previous job.
And from my side, I got laid off from my previous job and I transitioned to employment insurance. So let's see how that impacts our total taxes. And we still have tuition school, right?
So from previous years, we still have tax credits from paying tuition to my schools. So hopefully that will offset some amount. We've been postponing doing this for the past several weeks because we didn't want to face our taxes. Back in the Philippines,
we don't need to file our taxes. The company where we work,
our employers usually do the taxes for us. So anyway, join us for coffee and let's do our taxes. The first thing that we need to do is to get all of our forms in order.
So here in Canada, we call our taxes T's. It all starts with T, T4, T3, T5.
The T forms.
Yeah.
So we're gonna use TurboTax. It's a tax filing software.
And that is today's sponsor of this video. I'm kidding.
We wish.
But the good thing about TurboTax is they can guide you.
So this is TurboTax. And then we can start a new return. It's a good thing about software like TurboTax. Like, you don't need to look at an actual form and fill it out. They do this like quiz thing so that you can just answer questions and then they will automatically fill out the form for you depending on how you answer it.
Because I get confused.
He
It's
doesn't
either
know my phone number.
62,
My God.
because mine is 62.
Okay.
6238.
Let's make it more exciting. Are we still married after this? After filing our taxes.
Oh, fancy. I just need to input my SAN and that would be it. How efficient.
So it's allowing us to import our tax informations. So all of these forms, even though we have them when we printed them, they've already been submitted to the CRA, which is the Canada Revenue Agency, by our employers and the different agencies. So they will just pull all the information from there and auto fill out the form for us.
Downloading your tax info.
And now it's showing us that he will get $594 refund.
Winning so far.
We'll see.
See, if we have kids, we have dependents. Tax bracket.
See, That's the generational trauma that we should be breaking. Adulting sucks. Did you get the slip?
No slip because there's nothing in here. Okay.
Moving on.
Just a report. We're now fighting over this.
Because he can't properly hear that number.
So fast. 302925453221.
30. Oh my God. Parang yung anak na hindi makuha yung 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1? Hindi mo pa makuha. 3020.94.
I'm finding 44.
Okay, I'm gonna say it again. Okay.
Make sure you blur out.
870.51.
Oh.
Very good. Okay, now that he's done with this part, I gotta do my part now.
I'm gonna just chill here. Like Mimi, you wanna do your taxes? You and Minnie are our dependents. I'm so sleepy. Taxes are boring. Ba't hindi ka makalagin sa CRA?
It's asking me for this to validate my identity.
Why not? Why can't you do that?
Because, again, I need that. And that information is behind this wall. So, do you understand now?
No, that's the Great Wall of Canada. Meanwhile, he used his backup because his iPad won't let him.
I can't fucking sign in, CRA. Let me in.
So he's using a laptop now. Earlier, we were just using an iPad. Meanwhile, the pretty little girl is living her best life. Let me fix your earbeats.
Why didn't we download?
Time check, it's now 3:38. I think we started around 1 o'clock.
I give up. CRA wouldn't allow me to log in. It just keeps bringing me back to this page. And then when I try to log in using my bank, it asks me for info. And then when I enter that info, it brings me back to this page. So looks like I'm gonna have to manually.
You manually input it?
Yeah.
Okay. You'll input it later again, eh?
This sucks.
A few moments later.
I think I figured it out. And it's user error. I was logging in using Simply.
Oh.
I think my account with CRA is with CIBC.
And yet you're blaming the government. Oh my goodness.
As the great Taylor Swift once said, it's me. Hi, I'm the problem, it's me. Entered my first tax form and the refund has been split.
You stole mine.
It's now 1100. Who's gonna win?
You stole mine.
I'm now about to press save on my second T4. Is the amount going to change? Let's see. That is the amount. Is it gonna change? Is it gonna change? You're owing, but I have
fuck? No. How
You're
come
gonna
I'm
be owing, but I'm gonna have $1,000.
What the fudge?
Okay, let's wait, because we still have my tuition. So according to CRA, I can carry over $20,483. Let's see. I think there's a max. I don't know if it's 10,000 or what, but I'm gonna enter that amount. So it looks like Yuli needs to pay $800, while I'm gonna receive $4,000 of refund. Is this for real?
How come? We need to chat with the expert already. Good afternoon.
Hi, thank you for connecting TurboTax Live. My name is Christopher. I'm a tax expert with over 20 years experience. Am I speaking to Ulysses?
Yes.
Perfect. How can I help you today?
we just wanted to chat with our tax if we did everything right, because right now I'm owing the government around 801, while my husband has a refund of 4100.
Okay, so do you want me to take a look at it, or?
Yes, please, if you could.
Okay, did you enter your rent under Ulysses?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay, and not John's. Okay, so all this is doing is saying there's nothing under John, so it's just bringing it to your attention. So
Okay.
just go review.
Oops, sorry.
That's okay. Just hit ignore
Ignore.
because we've already done it. And yeah, so basically what's happened is the reason you owe money is because of the EI. The EI didn't have enough income tax taken off it. Okay, and it's taxable income to you.
Most productive 19-minute call I've had, but oh, 770.
So it looks like it's a tie. Because I was right. We're gonna owe something. You owe something. But I'm gonna get $4,000.
I'm gonna give that to me.
$4,000 refund. Wow. Okay, guys, thank you for joining us on this very exciting afternoon
All of a
of
sudden,
filing our tax.
earlier it was like boring, blah blah blah.
It's been a roller coaster. It's like boring, and then I got so frustrated because I couldn't log in, and then I found out there's
the government gifted him with a 4,000
and
rebate.
now I have $4,000 refund. Okay, that's it.
He's happy.
We don't know why you watched all the way here, but I hope you filed your tax return. The deadline is April 30th, 2025. And we pray that everyone gets a refund like me, not a balance owing like him. Yeah, that concludes our video for today. If you like this,
Please hit subscribe.
here we go again.
If you like this video,
Leave us a like. If you have questions about filing your taxes, don't ask us. Ask TurboTax. Talk to an accountant. But if you want to see more of our adventures like this, tax filing,
hit
so
subscribe.
fun. Hit subscribe. Don't forget. And I hope you all are staying safe if you're in Ontario. And we will see you in the next one.
Bye.